This is TMUA 2021, Paper 1, Question 10. We're asked to use the trapezium rule with 3 strips to estimate the integral of 2 log base 10 of x from half to 2. Okay, so what is the trapezium rule formula for a general function y? Well, that's precisely approximately equal to half h all times by y0 plus 2 lots of y1 plus y2 all the way to yn minus 1 plus yn, where h is the strip width and n is our number of strips that we're going to make. And in this case, y0 is the value that our function takes at the endpoint a, yn is the value of y at b, and y1 are the values of y at each of the boundaries between our strips. So how does this adapt to our problem? So first, we know that n is 3 in our case, and so where would our dividers be for each strip? So if you draw the number line from half to 2, we want 3 strips dividing this interval equally, so you need to place 2 points here. And where would they be? Well, to equally distribute it, we need to have one at 1 and 1.5, giving us a strip width of a half. So h is a half for us, and a is a half, and b equals 2. And what is our values of y0, y1, y2, and y3? Well, y0 is precisely 2 log base 10 of a half, y1 is 2 log base 10 of 1, and similarly y2 and y3 are as such. Do we know anything about any of these values here? We know that 2 log base 10 of 1 is going to be 0. So y1 is 0, and that should hopefully maybe simplify our calculations. So let's put all the info we have back into our formula. And so we get our integral is approximately equal to half times a half, which is our h, times by 2 log 10 of a half, which is y0, plus 2 lots of 2 log base 10 of 3 over 2, which is our y2, and we're going to implicitly adding 0, which is our y1, and then finally adding 2 log base 10 of 2. Okay, how might we simplify this? You can see that these 2's cancel out with one of the halves. We have 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. And so we're left with this expression. Well, the options we're given the question are in the form log 10 of one number. So maybe wise to maybe combine all of these logarithms into one. How might we do that? Well, adding 2 logs is the same as multiplying when you put them in interior. So that gives us log 10 of a half times by 3 over 2 squared times by 2, because we can move this 2 to the inside, which gives us exactly a half log 10 of a half times 9/4 times 2. We know that these 2 cancel out, and so we're left with a half log 10 of 3 squared over 2 squared, and then we can move this half back in, and we get a square root, which gives us exactly log base 10 of 3 over 2, so our answer is B.